Today, travel is almost entirely predictable. We can look the Eiffel Tower on our internet and we can see 500,000 pictures of the Eiffel Tower, so that when we finally go to Paris and see the Eiffel Tower for ourselves, we aren't experiencing the Eiffel Tower. We're comparing it to everything that technology has told us about this. This means that we have lost something. We have lost something from the experience of travel.